Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. And the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're going to K and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Let me say that again, because why is my eyes always closed? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're going to K and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Yes baby, I got it right that time. Y'all can see by the title. For started, I'm sorry for the noise. My mom was home, my little siblings is in the room right next door to me, and it's noisy. Okay, if you have little siblings, then you know. But yo, you can see by the title, this is like a weekly vlog. Yo, I'm like out of breath. The girl is finally getting this room together. I'm about to show you my room. Y'all see my room? Y'all see it? Like I'm one of those females that have a lot of clothes, and like, yeah, but the room that I have, because I was on campus, I didn't have the choice to choose before everybody else. I got stuck in this one little tight ass room, no closet, nothing. So you guys might be thinking like, so where you been sleeping at if you don't got no mattress? Like, where you been sleeping at? So me, ever since I was young, I love sleeping with mom. I'm grown as hell, but I just love knowing that I'm sleeping with somebody. I don't like sleeping alone, so you'll probably been seeing my mattress in every video, like, where she sleeping? She's on the floor. No, this is just like my business room, honestly. But now I'm just gonna decide to make it my personal room where I sleep, because you don't have a boyfriend, and I know he's tired of sleeping downstairs with me. So yeah, so this is how it look. I got this bed frame, whatever you want to call it, but I never got a mattress. So today we're gonna be looking for a mattress, and it's been like this for almost a year now. Can you believe? And I got all my stuff. If you guys have not watched my video yet, even though I didn't even post it yet, it's coming soon, y'all. I went to Atlanta for my birthday. It's coming soon. The room. Today I'm thinking about going to the nearest like mattress store. Hold on, let me just, like, one thing about the Canon, they don't focus. But today I'm gonna be going to the nearest furniture store first to take out money out first, then go there and like give me like a nice decent mattress. I already got the covers and all that, so that's the plan. And then we also gotta go get the car oil change and the car wash. Yo, I'm tired of being an adult. I'm tired of being an adult. I'm tired of having to pay for stuff out of my pocket. When am I gonna be rich? No, but I'm gonna take them in the car on our way to go see if the store is open at first, because the furniture store is not open. We're out of luck. But if it is open, fingers crossed, then we're gonna get a new mattress today and we're gonna come to the room. And I got I had to look for it. Like I don't really have a theme color yet, but my mom did give me this. So I guess it'll be like black in this color. But yeah, so, and this is my business stuff. You guys don't know, I put some on the screen. I do lashes and waxing, so that's what it is. And then just like, I have a lot of bags, but everything is all over the place. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I am in the car. And y'all, did I mention, and I'm sorry for the light, did I mention I have my pajamas on? Like, my pajamas are still on, and right now it is 3:57 and I'm still in my pajamas. But it's cool because today is my day off, no work today besides running errands. So I'm like, let me just run my errands in my pajamas. What they gonna say? What they gonna do? Who they gonna meet me up? No. And also, I didn't even notice, yo, this right here on my lip, I'm not gonna see it. Let me tell you something. I started this new job, right? And I work in a hospital. I am in school to become a nurse. You guys, I know that, then you guys have not been watching my video to the end, or you guys have not been looking at the description. I am a nurse, nursing student, my second year. So I work in the hospital, get like more hands-on as a PCT. I did do a vlog, but then my dumb self deleted a clip by accident. But yo, y'all might not even get that vlog. But I work in a hospital, and I went to the cafeteria. This is like off topic, but this is like groceries. That's what was going on. I went to the cafeteria and I got some pasta, and I think the pasta like sauce, it was very it was like liquid. It wasn't like thick or whatever. I don't know. So I ate it and then got home, woke up, and like it was like a big, bump. and I kept peeling it off, so that's why I look like this. So I do apologize. You're like, damn, why you look ugly? I'm sorry. I'm trying to look cute for y'all, but this is how it is. It's like a big scab, and I pray to God that it goes away because this is very nasty. But I just wanted y'all to know, so you guys will be like, why you got that on your lip? You like to assume, and if you don't try to clear it before they assume, then yeah. But this is just like a scab from eating something that was probably allergic to, or it probably has something in it that irritated me. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys when I'm in the car. So I think I said I was gonna get back to you guys when I'm in the car, but y'all, in my house, this is where we put the keys at. Like, we got the keys right here. This is my mother key right here. This is my key, you know. Let's go. Let's go. I got some it's so loud. Oh y'all, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm in the car. Yo, why am I struggling to get in the car? Alright, so we in the car, y'all. I got cheeses in here. I got my hand sanitizer. Y'all know what this is. Like, y'all know what the fuck this is. No, but like, honestly though, it feels so good today. But this is, y'all know. And I got all this trash in the car. And the whole purpose of me showing you guys that, I don't know why, but, and I got my my Crocs. But y'all can't even see me, can y'all? I don't know if you can see me or not. I think you can see me. Okay, so stuff the car, girl. Y'all gonna listen to how my car about to sound. This is why I need my oil change, and I need that thing fixed. I'm cracking up.
I heard you for nothing. These days I don't even care for a title.
It's a freaking FedEx truck on my block. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I love this one.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song.
Look. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all see that? See me? Okay, right here you can see me. That's good. But I don't even have like. If I could put y'all right here, I would. Oh, I could probably put y'all right here. Oh, that's cute. But then my steering was in the way. Okay, it's driving on. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna make sure it don't fall. But y'all can see me right here. I never thought about putting it right here because my car has this little thing on like the dashboard where I could put y'all and I just hit y'all ass. But whatever.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. I say you look good, I don't make up, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Oh. Alright. I'm not trying to get copyrighted because Tootsie ain't gonna play with my ass. He gonna want all his money. And I got no money for these celebrities. So good part about where I live at, it's close to everything. You cross the street and you at a dollar store or something. You know, you cross the street, you at a seafood place. Like, I live close to everything. Yeah. Please be open. I'm here, and I literally just drove for 5 seconds. Where I live at, this is the area that I live at. I live close to everything. I literally live close to everything. Like restaurants, fast food, seafood places, like you name it. I live close to everything. That's a good part. Ooh. Yo, my car started moving. I'm like, I thought I put it in the park. But yeah, I just want to make sure. I'm going to show you guys the mattress that I'm getting to, because there's no secret. I'm going to show you guys. So let me put you guys back on the tripod, and I'll be right back. I'll be back to you. I'll be back when I'm probably like inside. So yeah. So y'all, they're not open. So hold on. Look at him. He wanted me just like me so bad. Okay. So.
Before you do all that camera's gonna drop.
No, it's not gonna drop. Hopefully it don't drop. Y'all see how he be praying on my downfalls? Y'all can see me a little bit. Okay, so the furniture place is now open, y'all. So I'm gonna Huh? No. Okay. Alright, come on. So I got me some ice. Go! I got me some ice, and the furniture place is open, so I'm gonna go get my car oil change and car wash. Y'all, hopefully the camera don't fall. Come on, so mad. I'll beat you up. You can't go to Wawa and not get no ice.
Yeah, I can do the
Yo, let me show you guys how he drive. Oh, that's talking to them. I'm gonna show y'all how he drive.
You gotta finish the road.
You gotta finish the road.
You worry about me.
You'll see how he drive.
Now it's a smooth turn.
Now we're at the car wash. Look, I got money in my pocket. Yo, look at this line. Everybody trying to get a car wash? Ain't no way. Let's look at this. Look, he don't know how to drive. But we're at the car wash. Well, we gotta get the oil change first.
Did you see the line for that car wash?
We need a car wash after. But yeah. So he's going to work. Say hey. We're gonna get the car oil change, you know, we're gonna do a little 1-2-1-2. So we got the process, you know, yeah. So
What's your process?
they're gonna see how I get my car oil change. Can they see him? Oh, look at how abusive he is. Don't
I'm not
touch
abusive.
me.
How am I abusive? Now you stop cussing. How am I abusive if you over here hearing me? I can't even feel nothing.
Yes, you can. Take the jacket off. Take the jacket off.
Girl, you not scared of you?
Yo, look at how he abusive you.
It's hot anyway.
Look at my nails. He's gonna try to break my nails. I'm not ready to fight you with that.
Exactly.
Anyway, we about to get a car oil change.
Huh?
Oh,
I don't know what you are playing. We have closed. I don't allow you people inside. 1, 2, 5, 7.
what he said?
I don't even know.
You're not close until I see y'all. So, got me some ice. Why are you trying to drink my drink?
When did you buy this drink?
Listen, I'm about to. I just opened it today.
You just opened it today? You see you just opened it today?
Yeah.
I prefer a Monster Energy drink.
Okay, I think this one for you.
You see what she do? She be
I'm gonna show
abusing
you
She be abusing me.
changing my car oil. Well, make sure they break anything, I got it on camera.
It's some blurry.
Another one.
Alright. Damn, you said I got a long ass way to go. Damn. Your car have a low ass mileage.
Want to use it?
And your car don't use oil like that too.
Do you want to use it?
I want to. If I leave that school, I'm changing my oil. I want to complete that class. You got any sharp object?
No. My oil is changed. So my oil is changed and it took like a couple of seconds. Then I think the car wash and it's a long ass line for the car wash, y'all. But I'm gonna get my car washed. Cause let me show you guys how she looks. She's not too dirty today though. This is how she look. Like everything is up to par. I just need to vacuum a little bit. Yeah, I don't got too much. This is like my trash can. They got that and the back there is very nice. So ain't really much. I do want to get my car wash just because it's a free car wash with oil change. So yeah. And then this is my jacket and it's gonna go back here. We good. I need a new car rhinestone thingies because this is very dirty. Not dirty, but it's very old. It's all coming apart. But one thing about me, I am kind of cheap. I'm gonna use it to wear out. So
I don't know where you got the muffler from.
it's so one more. You guys been, you know,
Yeah, and
the car wash.
inside too. You got anything here? You put things right here, trash, right? That's trash, right?
Yeah.
Alright, they'll put it in there for you. That's the one you got that. That's what like a car wash. See how white it is? Right up like this, super white. You have to go in there then. They get beautiful, special wash. It's crazy, I've never seen it outside, from the outside. Yeah, I'm gonna
Huh?
Yeah, I'm a tourist.
I don't know.
Pay for it.
Huh?
Yeah, she said that's it. She said, is it not her?
Yeah. What did she say?
We gonna get, we gonna get.
That's running. So today we got the car wash. We got the luxurious deluxe car wash. So yeah, but I'm trying to hurry up with my car because I'm not playing. You see her? Oh, look at her. Can we go inside now? They got my car going back and forth. Okay. Can't lie, my car look good, okay? She look good, baby. She look fine. I didn't even have to pay to get my oh, he wiping it, okay. Okay, they doing something different. I like that. I didn't have to pay to get my car back in.
Say Tommy in front and this other guy is in front of the car.
To park to get my car back. Oh, don't mind my legs, yeah. But yeah. I didn't even expect this because usually they don't do all this. They showing off. But I'll see you guys again when we doing something different. I like it. Alright, so y'all, I finally got my car washed. So where I live at, you get a, well, the one I went to, you get a free car wash. I'm just gonna put it away. You get a free car wash with the charge of a what am I saying, y'all? You get a free car wash if you get your oil change. I have a spoon in here. I don't like this. Hello?
Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. I had to change my shoes. Like, I don't drive with slides on, so I had to change my shoes. And I put on some hand sanitizer first because I don't play that. Okay.
Right here.
Huh?
So if you get old right here.
He said I'm gonna make him get old. Hold on, give me a second. It won't take long. Okay. Alright, I'm ready. I just don't yeah, you already know. Don't be a hater because I know how to drive. But yeah, before I drive, I gotta make sure my seatbelt is on. I gotta make sure everything's good. Huh? Yeah, come on. If you know how to drive through an alleyway, let's go. Let's go. Okay. So y'all, finally got this freaking car oil change. Huh? Finally got this car oil change So I only got a car wash, and my next oil change isn't until. Are you turning? Are you still going straight? My next oil change isn't until June, so don't play with me, baby. Huh? I can't hear you. Your stuff is going in and out. I just got this car oil change, and I just got this car wash. But mind y'all, these freaking bird poop, they be trying to poop on everything. What are you doing? Still going straight? Damn, you gotta get smart. I was asking you. This is what I mean when I said I want to drive through the back road. But this back road all bumpy. Alright. So, first of all, I do have my signal on when I'm turning. Stop trying to make it sound like I don't know how to drive. We're turning left. Just like that. Now we're on the main road. But I got me some ice. I really like to place my camera at that because y'all can see me good and the angle is kind of good. I hope it's good. Oh, I want to give me a dog. I'm gonna be a dog mom one day. Y'all, my steering wheel probably in the way, but it's better than being where it was at, where y'all couldn't see nothing. But right here, y'all can see me good. The sun is hitting me. So we're gonna try this mattress place one more time. If they not open, then oh well, too bad, Freddie. Yo, I'm driving with two different shoes on. I got my bubble slides and I got some Crocs on. Cause I don't drive with slides on.
Yeah, you drive with dog clothes and dog access.
Huh? Come on, what is he doing?
Let's go.
Come on, you tell me to go. You over here taking your time to turn. Who?
Yeah.
No, I thought he was crossing the street. Like, I don't know what he was doing. Y'all seen how I just turned and the camera didn't fall to you? Yeah, don't play with it. I found me a new spot for my camera. Yo. I'll park right here. He's not even open, but he might be open. Alright. And just like that, we're here.
Huh?
I said we're here. I'm gonna give it to you guys when we go outside. Or I'm gonna show you guys sometime. Go and look. Go. Okay. It literally says open right for name. Yes, guys. These guys be acting like they don't want to comment sometimes.
Yeah, he's not here. He's close.
I'm gonna put him on mute even though he's still watching my videos. He act like he don't know where the place at, but he came here so many times. Like, this is why they say females are way smarter guys. Now you guys see. Okay, let's go get the tire change then. Alright. So I had to set up the camera again, but we got some bad news. He's not open. What's the point of doing that? You parked so close to me and you couldn't even get out the car. Like, what? Alright, let's go. This black car parked so close to me, like,
That way?
huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get out this way. I'll meet you there. Okay. Yo, that's why you can't drive down here. Everybody's for themselves. Everybody be so stingy. Like, why the light is broke? Why? No, I'm not treating like no stop sign. Next time you fix that freaking light. The government got way too much money to be act like they broke.
I do it just working like 5 seconds ago.
They got too much money to be act like they broke. And these guys are not giving no lean ass freaking tire before I beat they mothers. I'm playing. I'm playing. Okay, we here. Try to turn around. So right now the water is boiling. I just put water and I put some salt to make it boil faster. And I got the corn is going there, and the eggs is going there. So when it boil all the way, then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, so yeah. So this is the seasoning. Bless you.
How's your day?
Yeah, make sure it's taken okay. Alright, y'all, so this is how our sauce look. And then he got the noodles. You got it? Mm-hmm. And then we got the corn and the eggs. And also I'm doing a TikTok also. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, go ahead. I'll put it on the screen. Then we got the sausage and the shrimp. Y'all, stop playing with me. Stop playing with us. Because we know how to cook for real, okay? Y'all see the season. Y'all see the parsley. Y'all see everything. And we got our boiled eggs, our corn. And then we got the seasoning once again. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when we have the finishing touch. And this is the noodles right here, but it's very hot. So this is our own seafood sauce, seafood boil sauce. You already seen the season that I used. We used 4 sticks of butter because there's a lot of us. But if it was just me and babe, we would only use 2. Use some minced garlic, and we got some onions in here too. Y'all see it. So yeah. That's it, and then the noodles right there. Yeah, we about to eat real good. So this food really not supposed to take long. It's supposed to take like 30 minutes. But this depends on like, if you're making it by yourself, it's gonna take like probably an hour. But if it's 2 people making it, it's gonna definitely take like 30 minutes. Not too much. So like I said before, we're making it for more than one. We're gonna need a lot. But y'all gonna see. The sauce is already ready. I'm gonna show you again. Like, it's boiling. Our sauce boiling. I can't wait. Vllo got nothing on us. I'm playing. Y'all see the garlic, the onion? Yeah, don't play. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Y'all, I didn't get my mattress yet, as y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all. And my room still is the same. So maybe next time when I pick up the camera, my room will be fit. So we can do some nice videos, y'all. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Peace.